Hello everyone, I'm Midad and I'm a sophomore and I live in McCullough. Come on in. Come to McCullough. This way is the common room. Follow me. So this is the McCullough common room, very cozy. We have a piano and it looks like someone set up the fireplace, which is so cute. It's so nice on a snowy day. And once you get out of the common room, you see in front of you the hallway, which leads to multiple rooms here. Some of them are doubles and some of them are singles. You have the laundry room here. And our house is special because we have 2 dryers and 2 washers. So whenever you want to do laundry, there's always a washer available. Oh my God, I see Tessa. Hi, Tessa.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Tessa is the house chair of McCullough. Tessa, what's your favorite part about this house?
Probably everyone in it. It's a very respectful and sometimes quiet, but we still have a very sweet community.
Thank you, Tessa.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys. Bye.
On your right is the bathroom. It has 2 toilet stalls and then 2 showers, and then place where you could put your toiletries. And then these are all rooms. And my room is right here. I asked my friends to write my name in different languages and my roommate's name too. Hi Sena, that's my roommate. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sana.
Okay, welcome to our room.
Can you guess which side is which? This is mine.
And this is my side, and we have a window in the middle. Some of the rooms would have 2 windows and some of them would have 1 window. It depends on where the location is. And our room is really nice because we get the morning sun every day and it's really nice. But today it's obviously snowy. I don't know if it's gonna show on the camera, but yeah.
And we have a view of the end of the world.
Kind.
So, kinda. And now Midad will take you to show you the rest of the house.
Bye, Sana. Let's go. So upstairs, right in front of our room, is the kitchen. So follow me. This way. So this is our kitchen. A lot of students cook here. It's equipped with all utensils, pots, plates, and everything you need. You just need to bring yourself and the ingredients to make a yummy dish. Now we're gonna head back to the main entrance. So this house, McCullough, is a courtesy house, and what that means basically is the people living in this house decide whether this house is a quiet house, a social house. We decide the quiet hours, which is very nice. Every week at coffee hour, we sit together and we discuss things that we like about our house. We share concerns, joys, anything, and then we together decide how we want to run this house, which is really nice. And so this house runs based on everyone here. Yeah. Thank you so much for being part of this tour and watching this till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. And I want to show you a small thing, or a new member of our house. It's the tiny snowman there. We had snow last night and someone made it and it's really cute.